Annyeonghaseyo, welcome to my channel. This is Lovely Hesper. I'm throwing up double peace signs. What's going on? Alright guys, this is Killing It Cosmetics. Something like that. Killing it softly. Killing it on my face. Killing it. Yep, putting the makeup on there. This is the foundation. And hope you enjoy the music too. It's kind of like a 80s beat. Some by Me. This is a contour makeup for the eyelid. As you can see, I'm mixing two colors together to get a nice blend. Make sure you blend it nicely because otherwise it's gonna look all chalky and all mucky and stuff like that on your face. And you definitely don't want that look if you're trying to attract some nice looking guys. So as far as this next piece, this is like a hot pink color, and it's by Coverst. And what you want to do is put that on your face and put that on your lips. As you can see, I am putting that on my lips. This color looks really nice by itself, but I think I'm gonna add a couple more colors here. So this is a orange color, and I'm also putting that on my lips. Yes, there you go. So okay, so now I have a hot pink orange mess on my lips. And so for the final color, I'm gonna add pink, and I think what pink's gonna do is it's gonna turn it back to the original color, which is hot pink. As you can see, it is the original color, and I just mixed it back to normal. So thank you for coming to my channel. If you like, please drop a like and subscribe. This is my Korean makeup look for the fall, and yeah, hope you enjoy this part. Because I'm just blowing kisses at the makeup because it's so nice, and just wave it in your face. Hopefully you'll buy it. I don't own anything, but thanks so much. Take care.